In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a print-ready coloring book in Canva using AI and publish it on Amazon KDP for free. Start by opening Canva in your browser. On the home page, click Create a Design and choose the size for your book. US letter is common in the United States, while A4 is standard in many other regions. Match this to the trim size you plan to use on KDP. You can build your book in portrait orientation for a classic coloring book look. Create your title page by going to Text and selecting Add a Heading. Type your book title and arrange it so it's centered and visually balanced. Pick a clean, bold font that prints well in black and white. Keep the design simple so it matches the style of the interior pages. Now, build your coloring pages. In the Canva search bar, type line art or coloring page to find ready-made black and white elements. Look for designs with clear outlines and minimal shading for easy coloring. If you want custom illustrations, use Canva's AI tools. You can use Magic Write to brainstorm themes and prompts, then paste those prompts into an AI image generator to create black and white line drawings. Aim for instructions like simple line art, black outline, no gray shading to get clean results that print crisply. Arrange each illustration on its own page in Canva. Keep one main image per page, centered with comfortable margins. If you want page numbers, add them consistently at the bottom. Keep numbers small so they don't interfere with the artwork. If your artwork goes to the edge, plan for bleed. If not, keep everything inside the safe area. When your pages are ready, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print. This format preserves high quality for professional printing. If your artwork extends to the edge of the page, toggle crop marks and bleed on. If all artwork stays within the margins, bleed can stay off. Double-check that all pages are included, then download and save the PDF with a clear file name. Next, upload your PDF to Amazon KDP and follow their publishing steps. Make sure the trim size and bleed settings you choose on KDP match what you set in Canva. Use the KDP previewer to flip through every page and confirm alignment, margins, and image clarity. Once everything looks good, complete the remaining details and submit. And that's it. You now have a print-ready coloring book made with Canva and AI tools completely free.